Hi guys, hello, welcome to Jewels by Natalie. My name is Natalie Rosie and I've got the cutest and most affordable $8 fashion from Paparazzi Accessories, my friends. If you see that live in the corner, it means you're watching me right now. Today is part 2 of our Happy Wednesday live sales today. I'm just kind of doing pop-ups throughout the week and seeing how things go with life. But my friends, if you are popping in, just make sure you comment hashtag new and let me know that you are new. Otherwise, comment hashtag replay if you're popping in and watching the replay, my friends. Thank you so much for watching, my dears. Everything I'm showing today is $8. Shipping is $6.55 flat rate, up to $100, and then it's free shipping after that nationwide. For every 10 pieces you order, you get 1 for free. All right, friends. Now, again, if you are new, just comment hashtag new, my friends. There will be either a link that pops up on the comments of the live itself, and or there will be a link that gets sent to you via Messenger on Facebook, and you can tap that link and you can get registered to shop, and then you can shop to your heart's content. All right, my friends. Now, if you'd like to get fully connected to Jewels by Natalie, comment hashtag shop. That is my link tree. You can get in on shopping my business page on Facebook. You can shop my Denver, Colorado warehouse, which is my in-home boutique right here in my home. You can also shop my Utah warehouse, which is amazing, which is where Paparazzi headquarters is. It's super cool. You can also shop with me on my VIP chat, which is amazing. I just got that started. We've got text alerts. You can go ahead and do that as well. Text alerts are in there. You can shop with me in my VIP group, my VIP chat. You can set up a one-on-one session or a group party. There is a calendar there that you can get shopping there. Also, if you'd like to become a paparazzi consultant, you can also join the team, join the pink side of life, and become a consultant. There are 2 fabulous options. And if you have any questions, you can go ahead and comment and let me know if you have any questions about joining. Comment hashtag join, my friends. I'd love to get you guys in on that. You can ask questions about it and see what you're interested in and have any information that you need extra, I can help you with. Okay, friends? So I'm going to be posting the replay of this. I'm going to be posting, there's going to be probably 3 different links, and I'm going to text those out today. But I'm going to wait until all 3 are done, and then I'll have the replays of all of those available on a post this evening. And then that post will be in the text alert. Okay, my friends? So it'll be all the replays of all of the lives that we've shown today. All right, friends. So we're going to get started. I'm going to show you guys a couple of sets. We're not going to be on for very long. And then I'm also going to create some shorter videos that we're going to put onto as reels and some TikToks. Okay. So we did show August fashion picks earlier this morning, a few hours ago. So I'm going to show you guys a couple of other fashion picks sets that we've got. Okay, friends? So let's go ahead and get started. We're going to start with this very first set here. I'm literally just showing the sets that are right behind me right here because they are right here, and why not? So go ahead and comment the number to claim. Okay, comment the number to claim. Just comment the word claim. All right, so first set, I got to take this one off. I just realized I did not do that yet. Let's take that one off. All right, so we're going to comment 105. I can't find my other numbers, but I will, I promise. So 105 set, this is going to be a full set. You can comment for this set or just comment for pieces. 105 set is going to be these silver earrings with the black. Okay, super cute. I'm only going to show you guys about 5 sets. Okay, not a big deal. Love the earrings, 105 earrings. And then you're going to have 105 stretch bracelet. Okay, you can wear it 2 different directions. It's super cute. Love all the colors. It's an easy, neutral, stretchy band. And then, of course, the necklace that goes with it. You'll have the cute little teardrops in silver. You're going to have this nice chain on the side. And it's a little bit bigger of a necklace. It's quite bold. So if you guys want this one, just go ahead and comment for this one. I'm going to hold the number up because my other command hook fell off. So I will get it organized today. All right, so this one's going to be comment number 105 set. You can comment for the bracelet, the earrings, or the necklace, my friends. Just comment 105. This is a $24 set, $8 per item, $24 for the entire set. Okay, my friends? So comment 105 if you want this set. I do not sell in sets. I just show them in sets, and I sell individually. So if you only want the earrings and the bracelet, let me know. If you want the necklace and the bracelet, let me know. If you only want the earrings, I got you, okay? Just let me know which pieces you want because I sell, like I said, I sell individually. I do not sell in sets. So if you want the full set, you got to get it before someone else gets just the parts and pieces if they only want the pieces. All right, friends. So there's going to be set number 1. We're only going to show 5 sets this afternoon. and I'll be live tonight. I'm usually here every night at 7 Mountain Time, 9 Eastern. Whether it's live or recorded, I'm here every single day at 9 Eastern, okay, friends? So if you're in a different time zone, I'm in Colorado Mountain Time, so I am always on Mountain Time, but I'm trying to get better at using Eastern Time just because the math is a lot easier for a lot more people. 106 set, my friends, is one of my personal favorites. I love this set so much. It's like my Hot Barbie pink set. Love the pink lips. They're super cute little posty backs. Love those. Super cute for summer and especially for fall, y'all. Getting your school gear going, okay? You're going to have your pink rhinestone earrings on here. Super cute. And then one side's going to have a chain and the other side will have a double smaller link. Okay, super cute. Now, when you come down to the bottom of this necklace, it's going to have all kinds of charms and you're going to have your pink. Okay, so you're going to have your pink star with white rhinestones. You're going to have your angel wing, and it does have very, very dainty rhinestones all along this part in the center. You're going to have a pink lock. It'll be silver with the pink rhinestones around it. And then you're going to have another lip that's going to match those earrings perfectly. Okay, so that's going to be number 106. I've got 2 more pieces to go with this full set. It's a very big set. This will be your coil bracelet, nice silver coil. You're going to see those pendants that match perfectly with the necklace and the earrings. You will have your pink star. You're going to have your angel wing with the pink rhinestones and then your pink lips once again. Put that on here. And then our last piece to go with the whole set, my friends, this is going to be your thick stretchy band with a hot pink star. You're going to have your heart, your angel wing, and your lip with the one side will be rhinestones. Very, very beautiful. Okay, now this set is kind of crazy. Like I said, I need to get my other command hook on here to fix it. But this one's going to be set number 106. If you want this full set, is a $32 set for the entire set. Now, if you only want parts and pieces, again, that's fine. This is going to be your earring. You're going to have your necklace, your ring, and then your bracelet. Just go ahead and comment claim number 106, claim 106, claim 106. $32 for that set, my friends. $32. Okay. Very, very beautiful. Love that full set. Let me get her put back onto her little hook here. I'll get out the next set. Like I said, we're only going to show 5 sets today. We're just going to be super quick today. It's going to be a speedy, speedy sale. We're going to be super fast today. Just a couple of sets this afternoon. And then I will be back tonight. Okay, friends, I'll be back tonight. All right, 107. 107, my friends, 107. So you're going to have your earrings. Your earrings are little post backs. You're going to have the black gunmetal on the inside. So it's going to be the darker metal. Super dainty and extremely lightweight. Love that about those. Okay, very beautiful. And then you're going to have a very large stretchy band, stretchy bracelet. It's huge. Okay, this is a very wide bracelet too, along with the stretch, which is really nice. So you're not only going to have white bar rhinestones, but you're also going to have the black pearls in there as well. And then to match with the whole experience, you're going to have the cute little white rhinestones on the darker metal. You'll see the nice snake chain and then a giant bar, which will have your white rhinestones and your white rhinestone bars and your cute little smaller ones. So it'll match perfectly with all of the full set. Okay, so this will be set number 107. Okay, set number 107 for this. You can comment 107 set. Earrings, necklace, or bracelet. Okay, friends? Set number 107. This is a $24 set. $8 per piece. Again, I do not sell in sets. I sell individually. So if you want any of those individual items, just go ahead and comment to claim those pieces, okay? That is our 3rd set today so far. I have to get my other pieces. I have to get my other numbers. I don't know what I did with them, but I will find them. I'm also missing number 110. Your girl's kind of a hot mess right now. All right, let's do our next set. We're going to do another one. This one's really cute for summer. Love this one. This one's going to be set number 108. Okay, 108. You're going to have a cute silver set with that beautiful blue. Absolutely love that blue. Now, this set on the bust is so cute because it's got lots of colors. It's very beautiful for the summertime and especially the spring because it reminds me of the ocean. So if you guys want to go to the ocean, you've got your fun beach vibes going on, okay, especially with that seafoam green and that light blue mixed with the dark. It's just such a gorgeous item and it matches so beautifully with the bracelet. Check this out. Look at how cute this is. This is a gorgeous set. This is a stretchy bracelet. It's absolutely gorgeous. Okay, so match it with your necklace. It's going to be super cute. This one is going to be set number 108, my friends. Set number 108. This is a $16 set, my friends. Again, perfect for the beach vacation. Okay, super cute for spring and summertime. Love, love, love. Just keep in mind, your jewelry is allergic to water. Do not get it wet. You can get it wet, but just FYI, it will not be as exciting and as beautiful as when you first got it if you get it wet. Just saying, okay? All right, let's get out our next two sets here. Here's another set. It's a 2-piece set. Okay, nice little 2-piece set. This one is going to be our, I think this is actually our last set. So this will be our last set today, my friends. Number 109, and I'll be back tonight with some more goodies. I will be posting the replay links on a post later this evening, so you guys can watch the replay from today. I haven't been live in a while. I think the last time I was live was not just this morning, but it was like Saturday. So definitely trying to get back in the swing of things, but we're working through it. You know what I'm saying? All right, next one is going to be number 111. Like I said, I'm missing some numbers. I'm going to go on a hunt for them and go find them. Just wanted to be on here super fast. So this one's going to be number 111 set. You're going to have your dark beads, and then you're also going to have your blue sparkle beads. Okay, now they're not really sparkly. They're not like, they're not diamonds that like shine, but they are very, very beautiful, but they do have some sparkly type of look in the light. They look really cute. They're going to definitely be very, very shiny. Okay, so you're going to have the pearls, the nice dark pearls with a nice thicker chain. You can easily make this shorter, and it does come down to this cute, nice collar length necklace. It's so cute, and I love, like I said, I love all the shine to it. It's not bling, but it's got shine. Okay, I think I said earlier it was a different word, but that is so cute for this set. Okay, so this one's going to be set number 111. I did that again. Set number 111, my friends, if you would like this set. This is a $16 set. Absolutely love. Okay, so number 111, $16, my friends. You can comment for the necklace or the bracelet or both. All right, friends, thank you guys so much for watching. Again, I will be posting the links tonight onto a post for replays, and then that specific post will be in the text alert tonight. Okay, so after I've gone live with all of my lives today, I just kind of popped on today, but all the lives today I'm going to be doing that, and then I'll post the links to all of them in a replay later, and that will be posted and texted out to you guys this evening so you guys get to watch the replays. Okay, I hope you guys have a fantastic night. Remember, do not forget to get registered to shop, and you can shop with me on my Premier store, which is my Denver warehouse and or my Utah warehouse. Okay, friends, have a good Wednesday. As always, my loves, thank you so much for being here and supporting my business. I love you, and as always, my friends, stay fabulous. Bye.